Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher Miss Sidwat. I hope you all are fine and revising all the given work. So from today we are starting our general knowledge manual. First we will start from Taus with the English translation. Then we will do Tasmiya with the English translation. First we will start from Taus.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Now English translation. Now you will repeat the English translation with me. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. Now we will do Tasmiya.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Now we will do English translation. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Now, do you know what you will do at home? You will learn and revise Tasmiya and Taus with English translation at home. So take care. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.